Hello and welcome back. It has been such a long time, so I might seem a little bit awkward, but hey ho, I am ready to take on my channel again. So I wanted to start with a simple mummy makeup tutorial. I will hopefully try and link a video just posting a bit about where I've been, what I've been doing and the changes of my channel. I used to be known by a different name. I am now known as Beauty Life Coffee because that is me. So yeah, I'll link everything down below so you can see what I'm all about. So yeah, wanted to just come on here and do a quick mummy makeup tutorial because if you're anything like me in the mornings, my priority is getting my kids out of the house. I don't wear makeup day to day. It's something that I will only wear maybe occasionally or on a night out, obviously. So yeah, if I do want to make an effort or I'm feeling like, oh, I want to just zhuzh up myself a little, I will put on a bit of makeup. So I thought I'd share with you what I use. Simple products. It doesn't take long because, as I said, I'm normally like, go, 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 go. And then I'm like, I'm not even dressed or done. So while they're putting their shoes on, this is quickly what I do. Start by washing my face. I've obviously already done that. Then I go in with a primer. Don't know why I'm looking at the floor. So yeah, I go in with a primer. I don't have a particular primer that I swear by. I like lots of different ones. It all just depends on my skin. Like most females, my skin changes all the time due to hormones. Awesome. So it depends. I'll just wake up and be like, right, this is what my skin is like today. So I'm going to use a hydrating, I don't know why I'm doing facial expressions. I'm going to start off with a hydrating primer, and this is the e.l.f. Prep and Prime. No, it's not. Prep and Hydrate Balm. Looks like a little deodorant stick. Work that all over my face. And then simply just push that into my skin, making sure my skin is hydrated. Now a little tip for you. Not the most hygienic thing. If you've got any problem areas, you don't want to cross-contaminate, you don't want to spread that all over your face. So when you finish with it, wipe it. You can do it with a little bit, you know, just a face wipe, whatever, just wipe that top layer off so nothing is going to get onto that tip. Once that's all in, I don't wear foundation day to day, I just go in with a concealer. One that I tend to reach for is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I take a Real Technique sponge or any kind of sponge I normally go for. And I just simply cover up all the bits that I want just evening out or hiding. Obviously my mama handbags, they need hiding. My chin is always red because I'm always touching it, as is my nose. So pretty much just go in just to even out my skin really, and I'll take that onto my eyelids to even out my eyelids and to prep that for any eyeshadow I do decide to pop on. Simple, simple, simples. Done. It's that easy. And obviously I want to settle that, so I'll go in with a Real Technique, can't speak, setting brush. First of all, I'll go in and set all the areas that are going to crease because I want to get that set soon as. And I'll just go in with my face powder, which today I am using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I'll go in with a face powder brush and obviously just swoop that across my face. That's simple. Next in, I'll go in with a bronzer. Again, I'll just grab whatever bronzer I feel like I'm wearing. My current fave at the moment and an oldie is the NYC Big Bold Bronzing Powder. Lovely jubbly. Take it on a dual fibre brush. And I just want to add a little colour because it's summer. Even when it's not summer, you still want to look like you've got that glow. And I don't want to look like pale and washed out. So I pretty much just put this all over my face. Now the next bit is completely up to you. You can add some blusher, you can add a bit of highlight. For me, it is literally bronzer, that's it. I can't be bothered to faff around with anything else. I just want to quickly get out of the house. Let's go in with the other end, just to make sure that's all blended in nice. Because we don't want any harsh lines and we want it to kind of look semi-natural, but we also want to make, you know, people aware that we've made an effort. Next for me is brows. I don't do anything with my brows. It is literally clear gel, and I have the Benefit Ready Steady Brow in clear. I just go over it just to set these bad boys in place, and also just to get rid of any excess powder or concealer I've just accidentally pressed onto there. So my everyday eyeshadow is this bad boy. I've been loving it forever since it came out. It is the Tartelette palette. It is the Tartelette in Bloom palette from Tarte. So I always go in with Smarty Pants, which is this lovely shade right here. It's just a cool toned neutral colour, and I take that on a fluffy brush in my crease just to add a little bit of definition. So I'll just blend that in ever so quickly. And then, just to open up my eyes a bit more, I'm going to go in with Funny Girl, which is this beautiful gold, like, shimmer shade. But it is so pretty because it just highlights your eyelid. It doesn't add much colour. And I want to look like I've been, you know, awake and fully with it, you know, and all that. And again, that same brush just to blend out them edges. And then I'll just go in with Flower Child, which is a skin tone shade just under my brow bone. Again, just to wake up them eyes. Once that's done, I will then bung on a bit of mascara. I'm using the Laura Mercier, I don't even know what one this is. It's a little sample one I got. But I've been really liking it. I really should find out what it is because I like this. Just find adding a bit of mascara really makes your eyes just like, makes you more awake. I'm probably putting the best face right now. See what I mean? You're just a bit more like, hi! There, I will generally put on like a lip balm or just a nude lipstick. I didn't pick one out. I'm going to go in with the, is it a L'Oreal? Yep. L'Oreal, what collection is this? It's their, oh, their Naomi collection, which is Naomi's Delicate Rose. Again, with the lipstick, there's no like set colour, it's just whatever I feel like I'm putting on my face. I just set that quickly. A bit of spray. Lock it all down. That's the e.l.f. makeup mist and set. And then for me, I'll be like, yep, done, boosh, gone. So yeah. So as you can see, nothing special. It is just my quick, normally takes me a few minutes just to bung it on my face and get out the door. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below. Any suggestions, let me know, and I will see you all very soon.